Good afternoon, guys. I just finished mounting my highway pegs on my KPT 400. Getting ready for that long ride next month. I got these mounted just a little bit above the pin here. Puts my legs in a perfect position. These fold down. And as you can see from here, I'll fold them up, out the way, fold back down. Same here. I love these pegs. They're fully adjustable. I mean, you can turn the foot peg any way you want. Really nice set. I'm going to put a link down in the description, so please like and subscribe. And if you like one of these KPT 400s, you can hit up Venom Motorsports. Use my discount code JerryHawk250 and get $50 off.